We have a new camera that you're looking at to the right there. That is at Gladstones. There's a lot of people that are familiar with Gladstones, but we're getting word about the Palisades fire that's officially now 200 acres. It's burning westward near the Pacific Palisades Highlands community, which you heard from Josh Haskell. They have Rustic Canyon to the east, Topanga Canyon to the west, all under evacuation warnings. And so this shot that you're looking at to the right, that's where the media has gathered. We're going to get a lot of updates from there. But again, it kind of also gives you that landmark that you can be aware of. Gladstones there in the Palisades. A lot of people have been to that location. They know where it is. So that's kind of giving you, if you're not familiar with the Highlands area, it's kind of giving you an idea as to where this fire is and what's going on.
Right. Also, Palisades Drive is closed now from PCH to the Highlands. And the Highlands is that community that Josh Haskell's parents live in. He said he was, he grew up in that area. So again, Palisades Drive is closed from PCH to the Highlands. That's also good to know. We want to check in.
Well, I was going to say one before I want you to do that real quick, but one we did want to point out, one of the deep trouble this hiking area, as you mentioned with Josh, LA Fire Department says they're trying to rescue a stranded hiker. So that is something that they are really looking at right now. And you can imagine that while that might be a one-off, we hope it is, they get that one person, but this is an area where people hike a lot. And if it got on them that quickly, this could be a problem.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, we want to check back in with Monica de Anda. She is live on the ground. What can you share with us? What is your update?
Well, Giovanna, I got to tell you, we thought it was slowing down a little bit, but then things started to pick back up. If you take a look here behind me, we're about 6 miles away off of Sunset Boulevard in Cary. You can see a black plume of smoke. It's really billowing and picking up. That shows a lot of active fire activity in that area. And we know that the fire is now moving westbound. So these are all things to keep in mind. Evacuation orders have now been sent out for the community around Piedra Morada over in Palisades. There is also an evacuation warning for areas closer to Topanga Canyon to the west and Rustic Canyon to the east. So this is all developing, but that's the latest on evacuations that we have for you. Out here on the scene right now, you don't see any super scoopers in the air, but about a minute ago, we did see 2 of those making rounds around here. So we do know that they have air resources here and that they are doing their best to get a handle on the situation. But unfortunately, you guys can see all black smoke. But what you don't see right now is that past that black smoke, there's all homes along those hillsides, dozens and dozens of homes. And we have unfortunately seen at least one home from our camera up in flames. So that is, of course, tragic. If you are living around these communities, make sure you grab your bag, get your family, and you head out, evacuate immediately. We also know that LAFD, they issued an alert not long ago informing people of what's going on here and asking people to just get their belongings and head out of town. Now, according to an LAUSD spokesperson, due to this Pacific Palisades fire, the district is temporarily relocating Palisades Elementary School and Marquez Elementary School to Brentwood Elementary School Magnet and Paul Revere Middle School to University High School Charter. So just a lot of developments here, and you can see, again, a live picture. We're going to try and move a little closer, and we'll check back in with you guys in just a bit.